In this course, I'd like to break down the George Gershwin classic, Summertime. I'm going to show you how you can improvise, comp, and fully understand the potential of these changes. If you've ever heard Wes Montgomery's 4 and 6, then you've heard a version of Summertime. It's been recorded countless times. There's lots of cool stuff you can do with the harmony, which I'll be telling you how you can do that in this course, but I'm going to go at you basically if this is one of your first jazz standards. So we're starting right with the minor pentatonic scale, and you're going to learn how you can basically solo over the entire chord progression just using the minor pentatonic scale in a jazzy way. 2-5 ideas. Beyond that, I'm also going to show you how you can adapt the minor pentatonic scale to play more jazzy phrases harmonically, and we're also going to look at addressing 2-5s. Furthermore, there's also a full chorus comping study that uses 3-note jazz guitar chords. This is great to play behind the melody, behind the soloist. You're going to get a full PDF of that and breakdown of that in the course too. In regards to the improv, besides just showing you licks and solos, I've also got a full scale chart which is going to really help you go forward creating your own ideas. You'll be held accountable by following the assignments which I set you to complete the course, which will mean that by the end of the course, if you follow all of the assignments, you should have Summertime so it is jam session ready. As per usual with all these courses, there's backing tracks, PDFs, several 4K videos which you can watch at any time, slow down as you need to, all available. So if this course sounds like something that you'd be interested in, then please check it out.